Phew. So what's up, mates? Oh, 2-6 there. So anyways, mates, as I was saying, by the way, oh yeah. Yeah, anyways, as I was saying, I was sitting in the front, but Bella wanted to come too. So I'm sitting in the back, and I'm getting a new car today. That's the car.
Brilliant.
I know.
Maybe we'll drive down to Nana in a minute.
Okay. Like you did the first time when you got your new car. Yeah, we're going up to the bank. I'll come back to you when. Actually, by the way, you know Cupcake Gaming and Vlogs, my friend Amy. Well, probably not my friend anymore because she said F-word-U to me, and for literally no freaking reason. Anyways, if you like one, which one do you like better, me or Cupcake Gaming and Vlogs? I know she had one video, but still, which one do you think is better? And she doesn't pause her camera because she doesn't know how.
No, my love.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out the camera. So mates, I'm just gonna show you a little walk around Cross Connors. This is the bank here. She's getting her money, and I'm just going to show you guys Cross Connors and all that, because I don't know what she's doing. She might be putting her information. I don't want you guys to see it. Mum, can I actually buy a drink, please?
Yeah.
Because I'm gassy.
I know, give me 2 seconds.
You're wrecking my place. Trying to get something bar?
No, okay.
Sorry. Nothing smaller.
I'm really addicted to Diet 7 Up.
That's okay.
I mean, it's diet like. Zero fat and 0 calories and sugars and. It's hard to see it. Okay. We're going to my mum's car. Teleport into the car, activate. I love you too, Bella. Bella sniffing me, and if your dog sniffs you. Can't remember if I said this in the video before, but it means they love you. For me, this is the inside of the car. It might look like mine, but here's proof. There. Then. So yeah, I got a new car.
Do you want to lift up some more stuff? It's only up there, is it? Yeah, just
So yeah, mates, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And I hope you have a good future and I hope you have a good day. Bye.